The 2025 Vauxhall Corsa combines urban agility with modern flair, making every drive a delight. Experience the front camera system for enhanced safety and precise parking, plus the tyre deflation detection system for peace of mind on the road, ensuring you're always ready for the journey ahead. Step inside to enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity and LED ambient lighting for a relaxing atmosphere. Call or visit Hendy Vauxhall Poole today to schedule your test drive of the 2025 Vauxhall Corsa. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.